Hello and welcome back to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with Simon, and I'm still down in our Hampshire garden in the wonderful sunshine. And this is the next episode of the Back to Basics series. So if you've ever killed a plant or blamed yourself, it was probably a watering issue. But that's not your fault, and we can fix it. So watering can be confusing. Even experienced gardeners get it wrong. The key is knowing what your plant needs, when, and how much. So let's break it down. Roots need access to both water and air. Overwatered soil gets waterlogged, pushing air out and leading to root rot. Underwatered plants suffer from wilting, browning leaves and stunted growth. And here are some clues you can look out for. So is soil pulling away from the edges of pots? If it is, it's probably too dry. Mushy stems, yellowing lower leaves, that probably is a good indication it's too wet. Now, different plants have different preferences. For example, Mediterranean herbs like rosemary, thyme, oregano, they love dry spells. Whereas hydrangeas, courgettes, runner beans, they guzzle water. Now, rain doesn't always mean no watering needed. Always check the soil just a few inches down. The surface may be wet while the root zone remains dry, or vice versa. Now, when it comes to watering, early morning watering is best. It reduces evaporation and gives plants time to absorb the moisture before the heat of the day. And consider mulching. That's just applying a layer of compost, bark or straw on the surface. It helps retain moisture, improves structure, and it reduces that watering frequency, which we all can do with. And if you're using pots or containers like I do, use water retentive compost or consider adding some moisture control gels. There's plenty in the garden centres to choose from. And have you thought about an automatic irrigation system? Now that can save you time, but check that they're working properly, especially when it's been hot like we've had recently here in the UK. Anyway, next, we're finishing strong with the most important topic of all, and that's soil. So as always, thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.